All right, now we're going to look at it from the point of view of the penguins. So the penguins now, instead of the guides, are going to pick, the penguins are going to pick the guides instead of the guides picking the penguins. And the way I'm going to show who they pick is each penguin is either going to put a red stamp cube up if they want to go with the red guide, or a yellow stamp cube up if they want to go with the yellow guide. And this time around, we're going to look at the restriction at the end. That one guide. Each guide has to have at least one person. Okay, so show me a selection that the penguins might make.
Well, this guy might pick red. This guy might pick yellow. This could be these two pick red.
And this guy could pick yellow.
Could have this situation.
Alright, that's a situation. So red, yellow, red, red, yellow, red. Alright, that's a different one.
Well,
This.
if maybe these two wanted to go with yellow.
Alright, cool. Alright, so it's interesting. Does this remind you of anything, by the way?
Well, it looks maybe sort of like binary. If you had 1 0 1 0 0 0.
Interesting. It does.
Maybe it's related.
Maybe it's somehow related to binary. Let's take a look. So this first penguin, how many choices does that penguin have?
Well, he has two choices. He could either put a yellow square or a red square.
2 choices.
And then the second penguin has 2 choices.
Put the reds on the bottom. The third penguin has 2 choices.
Fourth, again, has 2. Fifth and sixth both have 2.
Okay, and since we're ignoring the restriction, when this penguin makes a choice, does that affect this other penguin's choice? No, we have to ignore the restriction for that to be true.
Yeah.
For it to be true all the way down. Okay, so we have to figure out how many total choices there are here.
Well, there's 64 ignoring the restrictions.
Okay. Why is that? Why are there 64?
Well, because each penguin has 2 choices, and there's 6 penguins, so 2 to the 6th.
2, 2, 2,
Yep.
2, 2, and they're all independent of each other. So we can multiply. This is 64.
But we got 62 otherwise, but we're ignoring the restrictions.
Yeah, what are the selections that don't work?
Well, all red or all yellow.
Oh, red
So
one,
that's
yeah,
2.
Are there any others that don't work?
No, because all the others would have at least one red or at least
There's
one
just
yellow.
1 restriction.
Interesting. Okay. So we get 64 total, ignoring the restriction. And then we come back
Yeah.
and we find the 62.
Yep.
But now, for the last thing, let's look at the connection to binary here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep, sure.